Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay utility bills with Ucard, that is your United Healthcare card. So in order to pay the utility bills, you will first have to come to the official website of UHC, that is uhc.com. And over here, you just have to click on this sign in button in the top right hand corner of the screen and then go to the members option. Over here you will have to provide your login credentials and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Afterwards you will be able to see the payment section, and there you will have the utility bills. Now if you don't have the utility bills there, you first have to basically get them by contacting to the UHC customer service. As you can see that to pay eligible utilities with U card, you just have to call to the United Healthcare member services number on the back of their U card to request payment of their utility bill. Any approved payments will be processed by United Healthcare and sent to eligible utilities on your behalf. So you will have to simply flip your U card, and in the back of it you will see the customer care number. So you just have to simply call them and you can generate your utility bill. Now if you don't want to do that, you can come on the uhc.com here again, and now you just have to simply scroll down a bit and try to find the help section or the customer care option here. So you just have to scroll down a bit, and here as you can see that we have the contact us option. So you can click over here, and from their official website as well you can generate your utility bills, and after selecting the payment method you can simply pay your utility bills with Ucard. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.